Welcome back to our channel. So today we are at our dealer's workshop, Porsche Specialists. They are brand new, newly renovated workshop. As you can see, this place is massive, huge. They are one of the largest Porsche specialists in maintaining, servicing and modifying the Porsches. So that's why you can see there's lots of Porsches in the shop. And what we are currently working on is this, a brand new 718 GT4 RS that is going for Akrapovic exhaust upgrade, and also this will be the very first GT4 RS in Malaysia to be equipped with an aftermarket exhaust system. So the GT4 RS will be installing this beautiful Akrapovic titanium slip-on race line system. The rest of the parts, the downpipes, the headers will be remain as stock as for now, because the owner actually he didn't want to tune the car yet. So he opted to go with the slip-on race line for the first stage of the upgrade. Alright, so here we have removed the factory exhaust out from the GT4 RS and put it side by side to compare with the Akrapovic slip-on race line system that we are going to install later. Now we are going to talk about a little bit of details and also the comparison between both the factory system and the Akrapovic system. So first of all, on the factory system, obviously this factory exhaust is very huge, very heavy, and also it kills off a lot of sound on the GT4 RS. While for the Akrapovic system, it is made out of titanium materials, so this is extremely lightweight. According to Akrapovic officials, with their slip-on race line system installed alone, you will get about 7.5 horsepower and about 19.3 Newton meters of torque increase alone with this slip-on race line system. While for the weight reduction, which is a very critical part, especially on the mid-engine GT4 RS. So the weight reduction of this Akrapovic slip-on race line system is about 7.6 kilograms, and that's a massive 44.4% of weight reduction compared to this very heavy factory system. So with this Akrapovic slip-on race line system installed on the GT4 RS, you get all the sound, the performance improvements, and also due to the lightweight titanium material, the car will handle and perform better, especially in the corners. Now we will talk a little bit about this very beautiful 718 GT4 RS. So first of all, the car is finished off in this very beautiful racing yellow color, while the car also has the Weissach package. So on the front hood, these are the carbon front hood. Then we have the Naka air ducts on the front hood area. Being a GT car, On the front fenders, these are the fender fins, while for the wheels, this GT4 RS, the wheels are painted in satin black color. The GT4 RS wheels with center lock, of course, and also the brakes. Behind the wheels, these are actually the standard brakes, while the calipers are being painted in black color. Also, the car has this option painted wheel borders in racing yellow in order to match with the body color. While for the interior of this 718 GT4 RS, it is full of carbon and Alcantara elements. The steering wheel is finished off in Alcantara, also the gear level shifters. Then on the center console area, these are Alcantara with the carbon fiber material, and also on the dashboard area. As for the seats, of course, being a GT4 RS, it comes with this beautiful carbon fiber bucket seats with the Weissach RS logos on the headrest area, and also the roll cage at the rear. Maybe it's not so visible because the roll cage is actually painted in grey color in order to match with all the stitchings and also the cushion on the seats, because as you can see, the inserts of the bucket seats, these are in grey color, as well as the stitchings on the seats. Moving to the rear, one of the key differences between the GT4 RS and the standard GT4 will definitely be this very beautiful carbon fiber swan neck design rear spoiler. So on the standard GT4, it does not comes with this swan neck wing, but instead it has a standard spoiler, as you can see on the previous GT4s. For the engine, the GT4 RS, it has a 4-litre naturally aspirated flat 6 engine that produces about 500 horsepower and around 460 Newton meters of torque that sits at the middle of the chassis. So this is a mid-engine layout GT4 RS, and all the power being sent through a 7-speed PDK transmission. So basically, these are the specs on the GT4 RS, and the car has just completed with our Akrapovic exhaust upgrade, and now we'll start up the car to listen how it sounds with the brand new Akrapovic exhaust system. And that's it, we have completed the very first GT4 RS in Malaysia with an aftermarket exhaust upgrade. So this one is completed with the Akrapovic titanium slip-on race line system. Let us know in the comment sections below, what do you think about this beautiful GT4 RS? How does it look? And also, of course, how does it sound with the brand new Akrapovic exhaust system? If you like our content, remember to like and share this video, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting contents in the future.